Hello and welcome to another diecast. It's not really a review, it's kind of a building process of a diecast. My friend gave me this today because I was helping him doing some work and he gave me this because he knows I'm a Harvick fan. So I'm going to build this and put it together. Already took it out the box and put it together, took all the plastic wrap off, and then I took it back apart. And then the only things that I do not have in the kit that I already took out the kit is this screwdriver and 5 screws over here. I'm not going to move the phone because then it'd be a thing. So yeah, it's a Kevin Harvick model kit, diecast kit. So yeah, I'm trying to take it out the box. So here's the body, the chassis, with the body, not the chassis. Right here in this box right here. I don't like that sound. In the box is all the pieces, all the parts and pieces. So I'm going to go over all of them. And we're going to build this for us. So first, we're going to go over everything. And then after that, I'm going to do a diecast review over it. Let's move all this to the side. So first up, we have the body 2002 Goodwrench Service Monte Carlo Sonic. Yeah. Really love the scheme of the 164 of it. I chose this over the 2007 car because I'm a Harvick fan, but I just chose this because I'm a hands-on guy. I like putting stuff together. So, and then I took it back apart for y'all. So yeah, that's the body. So next up we have the wheel. Normally these wouldn't come with this already on it, but I couldn't get it off. So we have 2 of these and 2 normal Goodyears. And right here we have the gear shifter, one of these. We have the window net. And what I'm thinking I might do is I might take it apart and rebuild it and paint all the interior pieces black. Because I don't really like this grayish, like, plastic material. We have 2 of these, one for the window net, one for the other side. Then we have this, which goes over the top of the car. You can see the mirror that kind of reflects. I might take this apart again and add more detail to it. So yeah, here's what goes behind the cockpit. This what goes in between the cockpit. Here's the dashboard. Here's the steering wheel. Here's the cockpit itself with the seat and all that. Here's the window pieces. And finally the chassis itself that the car is built on. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to put the wheels in the car itself. So there we go right here. I'm putting the final piece of that in there. So now it rolls. Nice start. So now we're going to work on the cockpit. No, we're not going to work on the cockpit. First, we're going to put the window pieces in, because these are kind of satisfying to click in. I like it. So the windows are in now. Okay, so now the body can go on the chassis. So now we just need to build all the cockpit and stuff, okay? So here's the seat stuff. So I think I remember how to build this. I remember how to build it. I just don't want to put the pieces in the wrong place and have to take it apart and rage. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing right here and put the steering wheel in the dashboard. We're going to take the screw right here because there's a silver screw and the rest 4 are black. And we're going to screw this piece in. This is the only other piece that needs to be screwed in. I'm going to line up the hole here. And yeah. And not tear it to freaking pieces. And then we're going to put it in here because my phone just fell and then it just crashed. But yeah. Okay, this is probably going to take a little bit. Okay, so yeah, then we're going to put the screw in this hole right here. If you want to get one of these kits, I recommend you buy them. I mean, I saw this Harvick kit for $20. I saw one for $50. I saw one for $120. So, pretty mixed things. But they're not too difficult to build. It's not like those model kits where every single piece you have to glue together. No glue required. It says on the box, no glue required. Screwdriver and instructions included. Fully decorated die-cast body and plastic snap-together pieces. So now that's on there. So now I think the next piece is, yeah, we're going to put this. This goes behind the driver's seat. So these pieces just snap in like that. And now that piece is in there. These pieces don't snap together too good in here. So, I mean, I recommend you, like, really push these in here. So next piece is this piece right here. This goes like this. This goes under the thing here, under the dashboard, and this just goes in there. And there's 2 holes right there that it lines up and goes into. The next piece, one of the last cockpit pieces, well, the last 3 cockpit pieces, I'm going to put the window net in the passenger side roll bars and stuff. We're going to put this top piece on. This is one of the final steps right here, guys. I'm going to snap this all in here. It's a cage, the roll cage. So, then I forgot to put the dang gear shifter in. We're going to put the gear shifter in. We're going to have to take the roof off. Not the roof, that just launches everywhere. I knew I was forgetting something. You got to put the gear shifter in. Don't be like me. Don't be an idiot and just forget pieces. So now these are back in. We got to put this on here. Yeah. It's really self-explanatory. You don't really need the instructions, but I recommend some people use the instructions. Because at first I built it, and I'm like, what does this silver screw go to? Then I looked back at the instructions. Oh, yeah. The dashboard screws in. So then, yeah, there's the cockpit completely built. Like I was saying, I like to take this apart again and paint it black because I don't really like the gold. See how you like how it sees like the black interior, so you can't really see anything, but it still has details. So we're gonna take this up and put it in here. It's right over the wheel well. And put the car back over it. Click it. Doesn't really click too good. And then we're gonna take these screws that came with also and just screw them in. We're gonna take our screwdriver. Let me know if I should buy more of these and do more of these, like, reviews, like, on these and build them. Because, I mean, that would be, like, a pretty cool, like, I wish Lionel would do stuff like this. And not just make shitty die-casts. And sharp up just prices and hundreds of dollars for too little engine detail. So I'm gonna screw this in because I can't really like do it over the phone. My hands are a little sweaty. I'm gonna try and trust me. I'm screwing these in. I'm gonna bring the phone, the die-cast back. Ooh, that didn't sound good. But yeah, I'm just gonna screw the front end in. Frick. You can tell if you don't really get this the first try. You can take it apart. It's kind of easy, but then at the same time, you kind of get kind of pissed. Because I'm getting kind of stressed out here, but final screw in. I mean, if you want to do this, you get one of these for yourself and just put it, like, do whatever you want to. It's pretty cool and customizable. I mean, I remember they did this with the 164s, but it was just like it wasn't really all the detail to put all the pieces together. But here it is. It's all put together. Really nice car here. So yeah, let's do the review on it. The Goodwrench Harvick. Yeah, Goodwrench Service Harvick 2002. Goodwrench Service Sonic. I have the 164 this, but I'm not gonna go get it. I like this. This was one of Harvick's worst years, besides probably 2021 and maybe 2022. I'm not really gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. These are some of his gooder years, even though that has a win. But yeah, this is one of his worst years. He only got like 1 or 2 wins. Yeah, no, he just did horrible. I remember, I don't know if he got a win this year. because I don't really keep up with all the statistics and stuff that Harvick did, but I know he did pretty dang good in the season. Not really too good in the season. I do not know what I am talking about, but here it is. Good performance parts. 29, Kevin Harvick. Got the Goodyear Eagles. Pretty nice car. Got the neon. Not the neon, neon splitter. Not splitter, valence. So yeah, this is a pretty cool diecast. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.